everyone, welcome back again to Easy English with Rafi. Today in this video I will talk about a very important and common problem for every English learners, and that one is really stopping us for speaking in English. That is fear and shyness. If you're feeling nervous while you are speaking in English, then today's video is only for you. In this video I will share real and practical steps to help you speak English confidently and fluently, even if you are feeling shy or you are not confident. Yeah, you heard it right. So don't waste any further time. Let's start the main video. Guys, and let's talk about the common problems. Like, let's be honest, and we all have that fear. Like, that the feeling when we want to say something in English, but we are not able to find the right word or right way to explain ourselves. Our mind goes blank completely, or you think, what if I'm going to make mistakes? Then you are not alone. Every English learners, we feel the same way at first. And have we ever thought that why you feel shy and why you are feel scared? Have you ever tried to find it out, the reasons like why it happens with you? Let me tell you. While we're speaking in English, we are always worried about being judged, or we are always worried about the judgment. Like, we started thinking, if we say something wrong, then maybe the person with whom I'm speaking, they will start laughing on us, or maybe they will criticize us, or they will think that my English is not good, it sounds so bad. So we are imagining all these things, right? And we started feeling nervous. And once we are nervous, then we are not feeling confidence, right? But the truth is, no one becomes perfect without practice and without all these problems. Like, when we are beginner, it's very common to have all these problems, and making mistakes, it's very common. It's a part of learning. If you're making mistakes, then it seems like you are learning, you are trying. That's why you are making mistakes, and that's a good sign. It's a positive thing that you are trying, and all your mistakes will be correct automatically after some times, right? So keep on motivating yourself, so that don't stop yourself for speaking this language. Keep speaking. And in order to control all these things, guys, you have to do one thing. Just keep reminding yourself, keep telling yourself that making mistakes, it's not a crime. It's a part of learning. More you make mistakes, more you bring that opportunity that you will be correcting yourselves, right? So just keep telling yourself that making mistakes, it's a part of learning, it's not a crime. So I will try even if I will make mistakes. These small changes in your mindset definitely gonna bring you a very, very big changes in your speaking skills. And when you stop chasing perfection, you will start trying to speak more and more, right? And confidence doesn't come first. Initially, when you start speaking, you will not get confidence then and there, right? It will come. More you're gonna try, more you're gonna speak as much as possible every single day, you will be able to get your confidence gradually, little by little, right? So that's why people says more speak brings more confidence, right? So that's why don't forget to speak. If you are so shy and if you are being alone, you don't have anyone nearby you to speak, then do one thing. Talk to yourself. Talk about any specific event that has happened with you very recently, or happened with today. Just describe your day, how you are passing your day, and what you are doing in your day. All these things, it's really works, right? Just if you want to, I'm making tea, and it was raining outside, and I was watching Easy English with Rafi yesterday, some of his videos. So all these kind of thing you could do when you have free time and you are alone, you don't have anyone nearby for speaking. Just talk to yourself and think about this. Think about any particular thing for a couple of moments, right? If you do this practice daily for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, definitely it will increase your fluency and your thinking ability massively and naturally. And the next thing that you can try, that is mirror practice, right? Just stand in front of a mirror and see yourself, look at your own eyes, and start speaking something. Talk to yourself. Look at your own eyes and listen to your own voice. See your expression, smile, talk, your body language, like even like if you don't have anyone for speaking in front of you, then you can do this practice, like speak in front of a mirror. It really does work. When you can see yourself, that how you're standing, how you're explaining, what's your body language, what your posture, like even you can see your smile as well. That will definitely gonna help you to give you a brief, you can say, knowledge, like how exactly you look like when you are speaking in English, and that will definitely gonna help you up. And guys, like do one thing. Like many of us, like we do have this problem, like we are following these mistakes, that when we try to speak in English, like when we are trying to frame any sentence, like at first we think in our native language, then after we are trying to convert it in English. Just remove this conversion process. It's not a very good thing to start with, right? Those who are super beginner, at certain cases it's might okay that if you're like following those translation process, but like the moment you start speaking a little bit, then you need to remove that habits, right? You should directly think in English. Don't take any help from your native language. Think directly in English. Whenever you see something in front of your eyes, it's maybe your phone, book, chair, table, like be it anything. When you see something in front of your eyes, just name those things in English and try to think 3-4 simple sentences about that particular thing in English, right? And if you do these things, then automatically you will be able to get this habit to think in English. All the things which what you can see in your nearby places, like if you name them in English directly then and there, then definitely those things gonna help you out for your speaking fluently somehow. And like when you say something, don't call anything with your native language. Like if you see a car, say car. If you see an apple, then directly say apple. If you see water, then say water. Don't say pani. Like this. You should follow this kind of practice. And like and the second thing, and one more thing which is really very important that I should share with you, that is try to find some people, supportive people for you with whom you can practice. Be it anyone's, right? Your friend, your family members, your neighbors, or any random friend that you met online on Facebook or social media and all. Whenever you find someone, it's really like interested to speaking in English, just like be close to those kind of people, right? And like create a like chat room or common room where you guys can practice together, right? Try to surround yourself with these kind of people who will motivate you to speak more, who will help you to speak more, and with whom you can practice every day for your speaking part. So find these kind of people and be with them and do practice with them. And do remember one thing, our goal is not perfections for it. Our goal is communications. We have to speak, we have to communicate more and more. And like like we have to do few other steps as well, like like building confidence every day. We have to do something by which we can build our confidence, right? And speaking is the most important thing. And what we should speak, that's the problem. We are not sure that what should we speak. Then I'm telling you, like build some small challenge for you. Like for example, if you are going to any restaurant or like anywhere, any park, museum, or anywhere, right, try to like order things in English, try to describe things in English, try to explain things in English. Or in my video you can like comment or you can write in English, right? So please do comment down below and like practice your writing skills in English as well. And like to be very honest, all these small steps that you are doing towards this language, definitely it's gonna give you some benefits in futures. It will definitely gonna help you to build up your confidence. Remember, confidence is just like muscles. More you use your muscles, more you practice with your muscles, more your muscles will gonna be strong. And same goes, like more you speak, more you practice, more you gonna get strong, more it's gonna get perfect. Listen, you don't need perfect English for speaking. You just need courage. Everyone starts somewhere, right? So now it's time for you. Do promise yourself, from today onwards, I will be speaking in English. Whenever I will get an opportunity, I will never gonna lose that opportunity for speaking in English. Promise yourself, promise yourself that I will speak on English no matter what. Keep practicing, keep smiling, like keep learning, because you can do. So guys, if you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Easy English with Rafi, because in this channel I will share always very simple and practical lessons for you, how to like make you feel more confident for English speakings, right? So, and definitely I will be sharing a lot of simple and practical and real English lessons for you guys. So till the time, be happy, stay healthy, and Jai Hind. See you in the next video.